All right, we are back here at Speedway in Dyer, Indiana, off of 101st and Sheffield Avenue with the LaserWash 360 and the Tandem Pro Touch. And since the last thing I got a video of was the Tandem Pro Touch, we're gonna go ahead and revisit this LaserWash 360 that I haven't filmed in probably 3 years. So I bought this code a little bit ago at the pump. And by a little bit ago, I mean a few days. And let me get settled here. She's talking. It's just I didn't expect this camera, my water bottle, to be in the way. All right. So we got our code 63996.
If you purchased your car wash at the pump, touch the code button to enter a...
I already forgot it.
When you purchased your car wash, you received a receipt with a code 63996.
And so we got the Ultimate Wash. Oh, gotta hit enter. Maybe. Activating wash. We've got the go-ahead. So again, the Ultimate Wash has under vehicle flush, side body blast, bug blaster, tri-foam, rain shield, spot free rinse, and power dry with the Max Air dryers. So here we go, getting our undercarriage wash. Got the GoPro up on the roof facing backwards this time, going for another new angle. We're already off to an interesting start with the tri-foam leaking out, water coming out of the assembly already from all possible nozzles. And we've got the stop. So, start out with some PreSoak. And it's been a while since I filmed a car wash. I think last time I filmed one was back in July, maybe the very beginning of August. And I apologize for that. Started a new job. Just been busy with that, honestly. So now we are getting PreSoak around the back of the car. And back up to the front. And here we go with another pass. And another great coating. So just to, while we're going on the wash here, a little bit of background. So I graduated from Purdue back in December, and I had about 3 months of downtime before I was supposed to start my new job, my full-time job. And watch it come back to the front here. And so during those 3 months, I was able to go around, you know, film all those sirens, film basically anything I wanted, whatever I wanted. And towards the end of those 3 months, you know, that's when COVID started to hit in March, and here we go at the high pressure cycle. And once COVID started to hit and things started to get shut down, this is again a nice slow cycle. If I remember last time, they had this thing programmed slow because, I don't know if you can tell, the pressure wash seems kind of weak. And I remember it being that way last time as well. But after COVID started spiking up, my full-time job started to get postponed. Watch it come over the top. It got postponed all the way until August. So during those 3 months, 5 months, I found another job. Here we go with what was supposed to be tri-foam, but is just water. Now we're getting RAINEX. So tri-foam is oh no, that was the tri-foam that only did the front of the vehicle. So it was supposed to be RAINEX that they were out of. Get the rain arch here. So that is the worst application of tri-foam I've ever seen in my life. Oh, that did not sound good. Switching over to a fast, absolutely fast rinse here. So yeah, I'm assuming that was supposed to be RAINEX that we did not get there. But anyways, I had a job delivering sod for about 5 months, and that ended in August, and that's when I finally started my full-time job, and I've just been getting settled in there. So this should be the spot-free rinse. So as expected, Speedway, you know, hasn't really kept up with this wash, ever, it seems like. So whoever owns this one does not seem to be taking the best care of their wash. You know, every time I come by, I see the tandem out of service, I see this out of service. They never really seem to have, and it's not focusing, they never really seem to have both machines in an operable condition at once. So this is a rare time where I was able to see them both in operation, and I chose this one. Maybe, so next time I'll obviously take the other one. Oh, we got the dryer. Don't want to skip on the drying time here. And as always, the Maxxair dryers are doing a pretty mediocre job. But it looks like, you know, I saw a video on YouTube, of course. I saw another video of someone demonstrating these swing air dryers. Those seem very promising, even though they're just the same Maxxair dryers that swing. But as you can see here, it's not getting the side of the vehicle at all. It's getting the top only, getting this side just a little bit. 20 seconds to go. There's still a lot of water left here. We're at 13 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, I'm just getting to the back. 3, 2, 0, and they shut off. So these are definitely timer based and rely on the timer heavily rather than the signage. So we'll get that wipe there, just get the rest of it off. And the signage has that little extra segment there on the right digit not working. But yeah, so overall it looks like I got the car clean, but not impressed with the lack of tri-foam, the lack of RAINEX, which are kind of the two main selling points of the higher wash packages. Very disappointed to see I did not get those. But in other words, I do need more gas. So I'm probably going to head over to the Speedway in Munster tomorrow, pick up a wash as well as gas, film that wash in a later date because I got another wash plan coming up. The car wash at Toyota of Maryville has been replaced, so I'm going to film that tomorrow before my wash expires. But anyways, that's been a LaserWash 360 at Speedway off 101st and Sheffield in Dyer, Indiana. Thank you for watching.